Hey guys, code on the go. I'm going to answer a question here. Stef, could you make a video on whether young devs should get experience working for a company prior to getting into freelancing? Can a self-taught freelancer get as skillful as a dev working within a company? Cheers from France. Merci pour la question. I just said thanks for the question. Short answer is yes, not a problem. I've had many of my mentees come right out of school and they started freelancing, working for me as contractors, where I started them with little projects and they would build up that way. So yes, definitely you can do that. What you do is you learn your foundations, do one or two quick project courses, and then what you do is you start asking around local businesses about whether they need a website if you're doing a web stack. And start with small, simple projects. Maybe if you don't have local small business, maybe go one of those sites like Upwork or something, and then offer to do a couple of gigs for free. The key is to build your portfolio. And if you have no experience working for somebody else, which can help, there's nothing wrong with that, but it's not necessary. You can just get that experience by doing a few projects for free, small projects for free, working for somebody that way. So short answer, yes, self-taught programmers can become just as skillful as a freelancer, especially these days with online communities, whether it be YouTube or Stack Overflow, and there's many other places where you can get very specific questions answered, programmatic questions, development questions answered from developers. So, in the old days, back in the 90s, when these communities weren't as strong as they are today, there's a certain advantage working with people because you're working with them every day, you can learn from them and so forth, and you still have that advantage today, but it's far, far diminished because of the fact that communications is so easy with modern internet and modern web, so I wouldn't be too concerned about that.